Hi and welcome back to the ElhamExpert channel.
Have you ever thought that artificial intelligence could help you cook a delicious meal? Today we are going to make a simple yet tasty dish designed with the help of AI.
It's incredible. Do you believe me, cooking with AI?
Wow!
And there you have it, a simple delicious dish created with the help of artificial intelligence. Make sure to try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this style of cooking, don't forget to subscribe to the ElhamExpert channel and stay tuned for more exciting videos.